All right, good afternoon on this 4th of July weekend from Seabo's Kitchen. You'll see Todd in the background there. Time for our bi-weekly drawing. I want to thank everybody for playing today. We're going to give away $700. First place is going to get a whopping $400, so that's going to be the big one. Two $100 prizes and two $50 prizes. Good luck. And Todd is going to draw out the first number, so go ahead. Mix it up. And
number
first
two,
winner of $400.
215.
215. Oh, the pressure. Steve Duncan Jr. Congratulations, Dunk. Nice hit for $400.
Number four.
Number 4. John Brandt for $50. I'm sorry, $100 for John Brandt. You cannot win 2 prizes, just so you're clear. $100 for the next winner.
Number 37.
37. Doug McCormick. All right, we got 2 $50 winners to go.
Number 233.
233, says Todd. Let's see where we're at here. 233. As it focuses in on Pedico, wins $50. I think that's the first time he's been pulled out.
155.
155 is 155. And the last winner for $50. Oops. Lincoln Mangin. All right, congratulations to all our winners. Thank you guys for your play. And hope you have a remaining good 4th of July weekend. Thank you.